In this video, I'm going to show you how to fit and remove an LED board in one of the Omni16C alarm annunciators. Before carrying out this procedure, please ensure that the power is disconnected from the alarm annunciator. So here we have the LED board and we have the retaining peg. The retaining peg is used to ensure that the LED remains fixed inside the alarm annunciator and doesn't work its way loose at any point in time. So the LED board has a positive and a negative symbol in the corner. The LED board must be fitted in the annunciator with the positive at the top left, or it will not work. So now I'm going to remove the front window lens with this tool from Omniflex. Inside the annunciator, you'll see in the middle there two pins which the LED board will sit on top of, and you have two small holes. One of those holes will be used for plugging in the retaining peg. I'm now going to pop the retaining peg in one of those holes like so. Push down firmly into place. The LED board has two small holes, one of which is used to push down over the retaining peg. The black pin connector is used to slot over the two pins. I'm now going to carefully insert the LED board over the pins and the retaining peg. And then finally push in firmly with your thumbs and also your fingers until you hear it click into place. Removing the LED board can be done with these tools provided by Omniflex. The first tool has a hole in the end and a chamfered edge. This is used to push down over the retaining peg. Ensure that the retaining peg is pushed in firmly, and using the extraction tool, grip the LED board and pull the LED board forward away from the annunciator. Note that you must not pull on the black pin connector to remove the LED, as this will cause damage. Finally, once you've fitted or removed an LED board, pop the lens back in.